Are you interested in the lucrative business of exporting dried ginger from India? Look no further. Let's dive into the major steps for establishing a successful dry ginger export company from India. India is one of the world's top producers of ginger, and its export market for dry ginger is expanding steadily. With exports reaching 56 million in 2022, the dry ginger export business from India is indeed profitable. The global demand for dried ginger is rising, making India's dry ginger export business potentially profitable. However, factors like market competition, production costs, and market fluctuations must be carefully evaluated for success. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Assam are the main ginger-producing states in India. According to dry ginger export data, India exports the majority of its dry ginger to Morocco, the United States, and the United Arab Emirates, making it the world's largest dry ginger exporter. In conclusion, the potential for exporting dry ginger from India is promising. By understanding the market, adhering to quality standards, and following export regulations, you can capitalize on the growing demand for Indian dry ginger. Contact us for a free live demo and start your journey into the global trading arena today.